What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest today. This is Hubby.
What's up, YouTube?
He's super excited for this. You can tell, can't you tell?
Nope, not at all.
I am super excited. Thank you guys so much for getting me to 100 subscribers. This is what you guys wanted, so this is what you guys get. Don't forget to push that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the videos that I put out in the future, and also press that notification and it will have the same effect.
Yes, it will.
Just saying.
Stay tuned.
The first thing we're going to do to give him a little bit of shine is we're going to go in with our Milani Prime and Protect. Now this does have SPF 30 in it.
Babe, I want you to remember one thing. This is my first time putting makeup on, so go easy on me. Here we go, ladies.
This is going to do so great.
I hope you guys like this.
I'm super excited. We better at least get how many likes?
I say at least 10 likes out of this video. 10 likes ain't that hard of a number if you really ask me. So 10 likes, does that sound good?
All right, here we go. My hands are cold. Well, you know, once we get to 120, we're doing the next giveaway.
Very true, huh?
Don't forget to follow me on Snap so that you can get a sneak peek on what that product is.
So look at these eyes though.
So I did want to tell you that this has a ingredient in it that gives off a cooling sensation. Not too overwhelming, but it is noticeable. So just to let you know.
Sounds like fun.
Okay, here we go. Alright, now that we are painted into perfection, we're gonna use my squishy.
Your what?
Squishy. It's just really squishy, so I call it my squishy. It's a beauty blender.
You gonna squish my face?
Yes, I am. This is the first time I've ever used one of these on someone that isn't myself, so if I beat your face too hard, I'm sorry. This is for not changing diapers.
Was this really what you guys wanted? To see me in makeup?
Oh yeah, you know they all wanted to see it. This is the next Manny MUA right here.
Yeah, no. I might have a beard like him, but that's about it. Nah, but I watched a couple of his videos. He sure knows how to kill his makeup.
Right? Okay, now that we have bounced this on your face a couple times, we are going to go in with some concealer.
By the way, the only reason I watch his videos is for tips on editing and editing only, I promise.
And now we've beat that face into perfection.
Now, you know what? Cut.
Come back! We were just getting
Gotcha.
good. So, okay, so this is going to highlight the under eye. To set the under eye, we've been loving the Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm like super jealous of his eyebrows. Look at these eyebrows, girls, and these lashes. Oh my god. If I could just get them lashes on my eyes.
I don't know how you guys do this all the time. This is torture.
Bite the inside of your cheek. There you go. Yes.
I shouldn't have seen a video before. Oh, you could check in the description for that one.
Huh? Yeah, you can stop biting now.
I feel so pretty.
If you could see your skin right now, babe. Now we're gonna go in with our Color Workshop primer for the eyes. We are on the eyes. Yes, we are. All right, baby. Close them eyes.
I swear I'm having such a good time. No, I'm just playing, guys. It's not as bad as I'm making it seem.
It's not, isn't it?
Nah.
I mean, now when you sit down for 4 hours a day, like I do,
like this will be like the first and only time that I ever do this, unless like it gets like begged for or something. But besides that, yeah, this will be the last time.
If you guys beg, he'll let me do it again. Drop it in the comments. He already said it, so drop it in the comments and let us know. let's get them 10 likes and comment and tell him that you love it when he puts his face on. He might let me do it again.
But you gotta comment what you want to see, though.
Someone who has never worn makeup on their face, it can be a little bit uncomfortable. So I didn't want to cake face. Team cake face, but hubby is not.
Yeah, my eyes are already starting to burn.
Okay, this is the Morphe 35O palette. And we are setting it with this eggshell white color. Are you excited for coloring?
Not really.
Okay.
I guess, yeah.
So
Depends on what color you use with these eyes.
I'm thinking like oranges and browns, because that will really bring your eyes out, and that's what I want. So with my Morphe M441 brush, I'm just going to dip into this shade right here. Again, this is my Morphe 35O palette. Knock it off a couple times, and I'm just going to concentrate this in the crease. Now we're done with the transition color.
Because I promise you this, ladies, this is my first time ever doing this. My sister has tried this, my whole family. People have tried to put makeup on me and have never succeeded. Well, my mom says that she did when I was a kid, but you know, we'll talk about that another time.
Okay, so going in with the same brush, we're just going to deepen that crease just a little bit. Okay, now for the other eye. Now, because he has such deep set eyes, I'm like hating this brush. I mean, this brush works great on my face, but I have hooded eyes. Honey has deep set. Okay, and this to deepen that outer corner, we're gonna go in with this shimmer shade and dark brown, and this is the Morphe 330 brush. Knock it off, and just deepen it. So this is the perfect brush for you because you have deep set eyes, so it just like really gets in that crease.
Yeah, I could definitely say, give you, all you ladies, mad props for being able to do this every single day.
Yeah, right?
This to me just seems like a waste of time, but hey, you guys do look good when you do it. Keep doing it.
All right, now to really make these eyes pop.
But you don't need makeup.
So we're gonna add a little bit of red, just bring that eyes out a little bit more. This is the Morphe M330 brush. The same one that we just used, we're gonna dive into Lust. Now this is the palette by Bad Habit. She is called Aphrodite, and she is lovely.
Now just because I said you don't need makeup doesn't mean I mean not to.
Alright guys, to add a little bit of color just to make those eyes pop, we're gonna go into our Bad Habit Aphrodite palette, and we're gonna dip into this red right here. Now she is called Lust. And this is the Morphe M330 brush. She's tapered and just lets you really get into that crease to add color. But we're just gonna add it to the outer corner.
Now let me just say one thing. Don't ever send a man to Ulta to get brushes for you. Heaven sent me the other day to get her some of these little Morphe brushes. I was there for 2-3 hours trying to find these Morphe brushes. Yeah, it was very fun.
But I mean, you could have called. You could have called. He went in there blind, girls. So, do you feel bad for him? Because I sure did. He came home with 3 brushes after 3.5 hours of standing around in Ulta. I was like, oh my god, I felt so bad.
And they weren't even really the ones she really wanted. So. Yeah. Well, they were.
Well, they were. Any Morphe brush, really. I'm all over it. Because, you know, I'm a Morphe babe. Hashtag Morphe babe. Now, honey, I'm going to need you to look at my finger. Look up here at my finger. And just keep your hand, keep right here. Keep looking right here. So that I can, there you go. So I can get this part. There you go. Okay. Be good?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get the other eye. Look up here, right here. Okay. That is done. So we're just gonna jump straight into my favorite part, which is highlighting. This is the Bad Habit highlighting collection. This is the rosé. And girl, so we're gonna stay away from the shine because I want it to kind of collaborate really nicely with your...
Sorry ladies, I know I just rubbed the makeup and you're not supposed to do that, right?
Did you mess it up though?
I don't know if I messed it up, but I had an itch, so I kind of rubbed it, so I'm sorry.
Here's a little tip.
Beauty trip.
Yeah, when you have an itch, just like stick your nail in your face.
Yeah,
you know, so you're not scratching it, just poke it.
Sorry.
Okay, so we're gonna go in with, let's go in with a little bit of Pinkies Up and then top it with All Day. Okay. Oh. No, I like to blind them on my temples, so hubby's gonna do the same. Ooh, man, when you turn, that light hit that highlight. Ooh. I'm talking to them, baby, not you.
Okay.
I'm talking to them. I promise you I won't call you girl. Let me do a little bit of an inner corner highlight. So just keep your eyes closed. I'm gonna poke at it, okay?
Poke away, poke away.
Now that's a big brush for an inner corner highlight. I know, don't read me to filth on that, but because we're not doing a lot with his eyes, I just want to bring that inner corner out. Okay, now I just need to...
How do I look?
He looks good, doesn't he? Yes. Okay, now we're just going to take a clean powder brush and I'm just going to meld everything together. And then we're done. Okay?
Okay.
All right, here, let's go. Flawless. All right, guys, this is the completed look. Isn't he lovely?
Hey, I'll move in for a close-up.
Woo! Hit him with that highlight, baby. Bow! Hey!
Oh, yeah. Now, how about this? How about we get a couple subscribers out of this and that 10 likes that we were asking for, and it'll be worth it to me. So I just want to thank all you guys for tuning in today for this episode. It was fun. Not really.
It was fun.
Yeah. I had a good time, sure.
All right, guys, don't forget to share this with your friends. Let's get our numbers up, get us to 120, and we will be doing another giveaway. Also, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat so you can get your teasers and pleasers every once in a while. So, until next time.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.